Within hours, the cell divides rapidly, multiplying to build the foundation of life. The tiny embryo implants in the uterus, forming a secure home for growth. In month 1, the brain, spine, and heart begin forming silently. By month 2, arms, legs, and a strong heartbeat become clearly defined. Month 3 shows fingers, toes, and gentle movements inside the womb. The heart now beats steadily, pumping blood and sustaining life. Month 4 brings rapid growth as organs mature and the spine strengthens. At 5 months, the baby kicks, stretches, and responds to touch. Hearing develops as the baby begins recognizing sounds and voices. 6 months in, facial features sharpen and breathing practice begins. The lungs mature, preparing for independent breathing after birth. Millions of neural connections form, shaping memory and movement. The mother passes antibodies, boosting the baby's immune protection. 9 months complete. The baby is fully developed and ready. The baby settles head down, preparing for delivery. Every organ is ready as the baby waits for birth. A new life begins, turning 9 months of growth into a lifelong bond. Subscribe to the channel for more health videos.